Hey learners, Pranshi Verma this side. Welcome to my channel guys. In today's YouTube session, we are going to learn computer network multiple choice question and answer. Okay guys, they are sample based question paper. Kindly focus on your subject theory and concepts and numericals also. Now let's proceed. In this, your first question is, when collection of various components seems a single coherent system to its client, then it's called distribution system. Okay, so right answer here is option B, distribution system. Okay, next question. Two devices are in network if a process in one device is able to exchange information with a process in another device. Okay, two devices are in network if a process in one device to able to exchange information with a process in another device. Okay, so this is the definition of a network also, and right answer here is option A. Next question. Which one of the following computer networks is built on the top of another network? Right answer is option D, overlay network. Overlay network is a computer network is built on the top of another network. Next one. In computer networks, nodes are the computer that originates the data and yes, and the computer that routes the data, yes, and the computer that terminates the data, yes. So right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. Communication channel shared by all the machines on the network in broadcast network. Option A. Okay. Next. Bluetooth is an example of personal area network. Okay. Bluetooth is an example of not to be local area and not to be virtual private, is a example of personal area network. Okay, it's very important question. Next question. A blank space is a device that forwards packet between networks by processing the routing information including the packet, and here right answer is option C, router. A router is a device that forwards packet between networks by processing the routing information included in the packet. Next question. A list of protocols used by a system, one protocol per layer is called protocol stack. Option B. Okay, so here right answer is option B. Next, network congestion occurs in case of traffic overloading. Okay, जब आपके सिस्टम में, आपके नेटवर्क्स में ट्रैफिक ओवरलोडिंग की प्रॉब्लम होती है, तब कौन सी प्रॉब्लम होती है गाइस? नेटवर्क कॉन्गेशंस की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. ओके, सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which one of the following exchange a private network across public networks? Right answer is option B, virtual private network. Virtual private networks exchange a private network across public networks. Okay. Next, OSI stands for, very important question. OSI stands for Open System Interconnection. Option A. Okay. Next, the OSI model has blank space layers. So answer is the OSI model has 7 layers, and guys the layers are PD and TSPA. P stands for physical layer, D stands for data link layer, N stands for network layer, T stands for transport layer, S stands for session layer, next P stands for presentation layer, and PD and TSPA, and last A stands for application layer. So the OSI model included 7 layers, and they are PD and TSPA. Okay. Next question. TCP/IP model does not blank space layers, but OSI model have this layer. Option D here is right. So option A and B, session layer and presentation layer. TCP/IP model does not have session layer or presentation layer, but OSI model have this layer. Okay, अभी मैंने आपको just above question में explain किया PD and TSPA. So OSI model included session layer and presentation layer, but TCP/IP model does not. Okay. Next question. Which layer links the network supports layer and user supports layer? Right answer is option C, transport layer. Okay, transport layer links the network support layers and user support layers, because physical and data link and network layers are network support layer, and session, presentation and application layer are user supports layer in OSI model. Okay, I hope clear it. Next question. Which address is used in an internet employing the TCP/IP protocols? So it's included physical address and logical address and port address and a specific address. So right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. TCP/IP model was developed blank space the OSI model. Right answer is option A, prior to. TCP/IP model was developed prior to the OSI model. Okay. Next question. Which layer is responsible for process to process delivery? So here right answer is option B, transport layer. Transport layer in the OSI model is responsible for process to process delivery. Next question. Which address identifies a process on a host? So right answer is option C, port address. Port address identifies a process on a host. Next, which layer provides the services to user? Right answer is A, option A, application layer. Application layers are provided to the service to user. Okay. Next question. Transmission data rates is decided by option B, physical layer. Okay guys, in the OSI model the transmission rate is decided by physical layer. Okay. Next question. The physical layer concerned with option A, bit by bit delivery. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है, बिकॉज एक ऑप्शन आपको यहाँ पे ये भी प्रोवाइड हो सकता है बाइट टू बाइट डिलीवरी, बट बाइट टू बाइट नहीं, बिट टू बिट डिलीवरी फिजिकल लेयर कंसर्न करता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which transmission media has the highest transmission speed in network? Right answer is option C, optical fiber. Optical fiber transmission media has the highest transmission speed in a network. Okay. Next question. Which can be sent over guided and unguided media as analog signal by digital modulation? Okay. So bit can be sent over guided and unguided media. They both type. Okay, as analog signal by digital modulation. Next question. The portion of physical layer that interfaces with the media access control sublayer is called physical signaling sublayer. Okay, a very important question guys. Next question. Physical layer provides option D, means it's included. फिजिकल लेयर्स की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं, फिजिकल लेयर क्या वर्क करता है वो मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ. यहाँ से हो सकता है आपको यहाँ इस पर्टिकुलर MCQ से आपको 2 to 3 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में मिल जाए. सो लिसन टू मी वेरी वेरी केयरफुली. Physical layer provides mechanical specification of electrical connectors and cables and electrical specification of transmission line signal level and specification for IR over optical fiber. Okay, so they all are the characteristics of physical layer. Next question. In asynchronous serial communication, the physical layer provides option first one provides start and stop signaling and as well as flow control. So here right answer is option C, both A and B. Okay. Next one. The physical layer is responsible for line coding, yes, channel coding, yes, and modulation also. So right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. The physical layer translates logical communication request from the blank space into hardware specific operations. Right answer is option A, data link layer. Okay. The physical layer translates logical communication request for the data link layer into hardware specific operations. Next question. A single channel is shared by multiple signals by multiplexing. Okay, multiplexing में क्या होता है guys? A single channel is shared by multiple signals. Okay. Next question. Wireless transmission can be done via radio waves, yes, microwaves, yes, and infrared, yes. So right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. The data link layer takes the packets from blank space and encapsulates them into frames for transmission. And here right answer is option A, network layer. The data link layer takes the packets from network layer and encapsulates them into frames for transmission. And किस फॉर्म में ट्रांसमिट करते हैं गाइस डेटा लिंक लेयर डेटा? डेटा लिंक से डेटा किस फॉर्म में ट्रांसमिट होता है? By bit. Okay, don't be confused. Next question. Which one of the following tasks is not done by data link layer? So right answer here is option D, channel coding. Okay, channel coding is a part of your physical layer. Okay, so channel coding task is not done by data link layer. Next question. Which sublayer of the data link layer performs data link functions that depends upon the type of medium? So right answer here is option B, medium access control sublayer. Okay, medium access control sublayers of the data link layer performs data link functions. Okay, next one. Header of a frame generally contains synchronization bytes, yes, addresses, yes, and frame identifier also. So right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. Automatic repeat request error management mechanism is provided by option A, logical link control sublayer. Okay. Next question. When two or more bits in a data unit has been changed during the transmission, the error is called worst error. Okay guys, जहाँ more than one bit से ज़्यादा data transmission होने के बाद चेंज हो जाता है वहां पर आपका वर्स्ट एरर अराइज होता है. ओके, सो हियर राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, वर्स्ट एरर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सीआरसी स्टैंड्स फॉर, दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन गाइस, यूनिवर्सिटी का फेवरेट टॉपिक है. इट मींस यहाँ से आपको मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन जरूर मिलेगा. सो ऑप्शन ए इज राइट हियर, साइक्लिक redundancy check. CRC stands for cyclic redundancy check. Next question. Which one of the following is a data link protocol? So right answer here is Ethernet. Yes, is a data link protocol. Point to point protocol, P2P protocol बोला जाता है इसे generally. So P2P protocol is a data link protocol. Yes, and HDLC is also a data link protocol. So right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. Which one of the following is the multiple access protocol for channel access control? So right answer here is CSMA-CD and CSMA-CA. They both are the multiple access protocol for channel access control. Okay, so right answer here is option C, both A and B. Next question. The techniques of temporarily delaying outgoing acknowledgement so that they can be hooked onto the next going data frame is called piggybacking. Okay guys, ये यूनिवर्सिटी का फेवरेट टॉपिक है. अगेन इट्स वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, फोकस ऑन इट प्लीज. एंड पिगीबैकिंग जो आपका टॉपिक है ये 2 मार्क्स में यूनिवर्सिटी हमेशा पूछती है, तो इट मीन्स मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आने के जो चांसेस हैं वो 100% है यहाँ पे. ओके, सो प्लीज आप इसको लर्न करके जाएं एग्जामिनेशन के लिए. Next question. The network layer concerned with option C, packets. Okay, the network layer concerned with packets. Packets पर work करता है आपका network layer. Next question. Which one of the following is not a function of network layer? Okay, so right answer here होगा option D, none of the mentioned, because routing is the function of network layer, internetworking is the function of network layer, and congestion control is also the function of network layer. Okay, so right answer here is option D, none of the mentioned. Okay, next question. The 4-byte IP address consists of, very very important question again, option A, network address, option B, host address, option C, both A and B, and option D, none of the mentioned. So here right answer is option C, both A and B. 4-byte IP address consists of network address as well as host address. Okay, next. In virtual circuit network, each packet contains option A, full source and destination address, and option B, a short BC number. Okay, and option C, both A and B. And here right answer is option B, a short BC number. Okay, in virtual circuit network, each packet contains a short BC number, and BC stands for virtual circuit. Okay, next question. Which one of the following routing algorithm can be used for network layer design? So network layer design के लिए कौन कौन सी algorithm use होती है guys? First one, shortest path algorithm is used for routing algorithm for network layer design, and distance vector routing also, and link state routing also. Okay, so they all are algorithm used in routing algorithm as a routing algorithm for network layer design. So here right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Okay, next question. Multi-destination routing, data is not sent by packets. Okay, in multi-destination routings, data is not sent by packets. Right answer is option C. Next question. A subset of a network that includes all the routers but contains no loop is called a spanning tree. Okay, so this is the definition of spanning tree, and spanning tree is a very important topic. A subset of a network that includes all the routers but contains no loops is called a spanning tree. Okay, option A is right here. Next one. Which one of the following algorithm is not used for congestion control? So right answer here is option D, none of the mentioned, because traffic aware routing is used for congestion control in network layer. Okay, next, admission control algorithm is also used for congestion control, and load shading is also used in network layer for congestion control. Okay, so right answer here is option D, none of the mentioned. Next question. The network layer protocol of interest is option B, Internet Protocol. Okay, right option is option B, Internet Protocol. Next question. ICMP is primarily used for option A, error and diagnostic functions. Okay, ICMP is primarily used for error and diagnostic function, not to be addressing and not to be forwarding data. Okay, it's used for error and diagnostic functions. Next question. Transport layers aggregates data from different applications into a single stream before passing it to network layer. Option A. Okay, so right answer here is option A, network layer. Next question. Which one of the following is a transport layer protocol used in internet? So TCP and UDP, they both are ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर प्रोटोकॉल यूज इन इंटरनेट. टीसीपी एंड यूडीपी आप डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं यूनिट 5 में, एंड टीसीपी यूडीपी का जो शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन आपको देखने को मिलता है आपके कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में, वो आपको यूनिट 1 में मिलता है गाइस. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, प्लीज आप लर्न करके जाइएगा. टीसीपी एंड यूडीपी मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोटोकॉल्स हैं आपकी ट्रांसपोर्ट लेयर के लिए. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 का राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन सी, बोथ ए एंड बी. ओके, next question. User datagram protocol is called connectionless because all UDP packets are created independently by transport layer. Okay, so right answer here is option A. Next question. Transmission control protocol is option A, connection oriented protocol. Yes, transmission control protocol uses a three-way handshake to establish a connection. This is very important question guys. हैंडशेक से रिलेटेड आपका क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है आपके यूनिवर्सिटी एग्जाम में. सो मीन्स इस टॉपिक से मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर जरूर आएगा आपके एग्जाम में. एंड यस, ओके, transmission control protocol receives data from application as a single stream. Yes, so here right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Okay, next question. An endpoint of an inter-process communication flows across a computer network is called socket. Okay, so right answer here is option A, socket. An endpoint of an inter-process communication flow across a computer network is called socket. Next question. Socket style API for Windows is called option B, WinSock. Right answer here is option B, WinSock. Next question. Which one of the following is a version of UDP with congestion control? So right answer here is option A, Datagram Congestion Control Protocol is a version of UDP with congestion control. Okay, it's very important question. Next question. A blank space is a TCP name for a transport service access point. So right answer is option A, port. A port is a TCP name for a transport service access point. Next question. Transport layer protocols deals with process to process communication. Is very important question in transport layer protocol. Okay, so transport layer protocols deal with process to process communication and इसको short में आप बोलते हैं P2P communication. Okay, next question. The blank space translate internet domain and host name to IP addresses. Option A, domain name system. Option B, routing information protocol. Option C, network time protocol. Option D, internet relay chat. Right answer is option A, domain name system. It's also very important question, guys. DNS multiple choice question आंसर के चांसेस बहुत ज़्यादा है बिकॉज DNS यूनिवर्सिटी का फेवरेट टॉपिक है. अगेन DNS से आपको 5 मार्क क्वेश्चन ईच एंड एवरी क्वेश्चन पेपर में अब तक यूनिवर्सिटी के आया है. सो प्लीज़ आप मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पर DNS से रिलेटेड फोकस कीजिएगा. ओके, सो दैट डोमेन नेम सिस्टम translates internet domain and host names to IP address. Okay, next question. Terido is an automatic tunneling techniques. In each client, the obfuscated IPv4 address is represented by bits. Option A, 96 to 127. Okay, so आपको किस तरह ध्यान रखना है? In IPv4 address is represented by bits is 96 to 127. Okay, maybe आप ये word नहीं ध्यान रख पाए इन एग्जामिनेशन, सो प्लीज आप IB4 से याद रखिएगा. IB4 एंड IB5 यूनिवर्सिटी का इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, फेवरेट टॉपिक है यूनिवर्सिटी का. सो प्लीज फोकस ऑन इट. एंड यहाँ पर आपको आंसर किस तरह लर्न करना है? 96 to 127 इन IPv4 एड्रेस. ओके, because bit 96 to 127 in the datagram represent obfuscated one IB4 address. Okay, next question. Which one of the following allows a user at one site to establish a connection to another site and then pass keystrokes from localhost to remote host? Right answer is option C, Telnet. This is very important question. Telnet allows a user at one site to establish a connection to another site and then pass keystrokes from localhost to remote host. Okay, next question. Application layer protocols defines type of message exchange. Yes. Message format, syntax and semantics. Yes. Rules for when and how process send and respond to messages. Yes. And here right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Okay, next question. Which one of the following protocol delivers store mail to receiver server? Right answer here is option A, simple mail transfer protocol. SMTP is a very important protocol in your computer network and it's also favorite topic of university, so please focus on it. SMTP protocol delivers stores mail to receiver server. Okay, next question. The ASCII encoding of binary data is called base 64 encoding. Very important question again. Next question. Which one of the following is an internet standard protocol for managing devices on IP network? So right answer is option B, simple network management protocol. Okay, SNMP. Okay, पहले हमने पढ़ा था SMTP and now SNMP. SNMP stands for Simple Network Management Protocol. Is an internet standard protocol for managing devices on IP network. Okay, next one. Which one of the following is not an application layer protocol? So right answer here is option C, Resource Reservation Protocol. इसको बोलते हैं RRP in short. Okay, so RRP is not an application layer protocol. Next question. Which protocol is a signaling communication protocol used for controlling multimedia communication sessions. Okay, so session initiation protocol is a signaling communication protocol used for controlling multimedia communication sessions. Okay, very important question again. Which one of the following is not correct? Okay, option A, application layer protocols are used by both source and destination devices during a communication session. And option B, application layer protocols implemented on the source and destination host must match. Okay, here option A and B, they both are not correct. Okay, so right answer होगा यहाँ पर option C, both A and B. फिर से चेक करते हैं. In application layer protocols are used by both source and destination device during a communication session is false, is wrong statement. Okay, and application layer protocols implemented on the source and destination host must match. No, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है guys. It means it's false statement. So here right answer is option C. Both A and B are not correct. Okay. Next, when display a web page, the application layer uses the option A, HTTP protocol. Okay, it's also a very important question. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. SMTP stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. So here right answer होगा option A, HTTP protocol. HTTP protocol, a web page the application layer uses. Okay. Next question. The entire host name has a maximum of option A, 255 characters. Okay, the entire host name has a maximum number of 255 characters and it's not exceed the limited 0 to 255. Okay, next question. A DNS client is called DNS resolver. Okay, next question. Servers handle requests for other domains. Right answer is option B, by contacting remote DNS server. Okay, so server handle request for other domains by contacting remote DNS server, not to be directly. Okay, next question. DNS database contains name server records. Yes. Host name to address records. Yes. Host name aliases. Yes. And here right answer is option D, all of the mentioned. Okay. Next question. If a server has no clue about where to find the address for a host name, then server asks to the root server. Okay guys, the option A is right here. Next question. Which one of the following allows client to update their DNS entry as their IP address change? Right answer is option A, dynamic DNS. Okay, DNS stands for domain name system. Dynamic DNS allows client to update their DNS entry as their IP address change. Next question. Wildcard domain names start with label a star asterisk. Okay, so here right answer is option B, asterisk. Next one. The right to use a domain name is delegated by domain name registers which are accredited by option D, Internet Corporation for assigned names and numbers. Okay. Next question. The domain name system is maintained by distributed database system. Option A. Next. Which one of the following is not true? Right answer is option C. A single host name may correspond a single IP address is not true. Okay, so here right answer is option C. Next question. Telnet protocol is used to establish a connection to, it's very important question, and here answer is TCP port number 23. Port number 23 आपको learn करके जाना एग्जाम के लिए. Telnet protocol is used to establish a connection to TCP port number 23. Next question. Which one of the following is not true? Guys, Telnet defined a network virtual terminal NVT standard is not true, is a false statement. Client programs interact with NVT is also not true, means false. Server translate NVT operations is not true, it means false. So here right answer is option D, none of the mentioned. Okay. Next question. All Telnet operations are sent as 8 bytes. Okay, a very important question. Absolute Telnet is a Telnet client for Windows. Okay. Next question. The decimal code for interpret as command. Interpret as command is IAC. Character is option D 255. Okay. Next. In character mode operation of Telnet implementation, each character type is sent by the client to the server. Option A is right one. Next one. In Telnet, the client echoes the character on the screen but does not send it until a whole line is completed in default mode. Okay, option A. Next question. Which one of the following is not correct? So here not correct is Telnet can also be used for file transfer is not correct. It means right answer is option C. Okay. Next question. Which operation mode of Telnet is full duplex? Right answer is option C, line mode. Okay. Line mode operating mode of Telnet is full duplex. Next question. If we want that a character by interpreted by the client instead of server, escape character has to be used. Option A is right here. Next one. A piece of icon or image on a web page associated with another web page is called hyperlink. Okay, it's very important question. Next question. Dynamic web page generates on demand by a program or a request from browser. Okay, so right answer is option B. Next question. What is a web browser? Okay, so web browser is a program that can display a web page. Yes. Web browser, a program used to view HTML documents. Yes. Web browser, it's enable user to access the resources of internet. Yes. So right answer here is option D, all of the mentioned. Next question. Common gateway interface is used to generate executable files from web contained by web server. Okay. Next question. URL stands for, very important question, Uniform Resource Locator. Option C. Okay. Next, a web cookies is a small piece of data sent from a website and stored in user's web browser while a user is browsing a website. Okay, so right answer is option A. Next question. Which one of the following is not used to generate dynamic web pages? Right answer is none of the mentioned, because PHP is used for generate dynamic web pages. आप PHP आपने language पढ़ी है as a web designing language, and ASP.NET is also used for generate dynamic web page, and JSP is also used for generate dynamic web pages. So right answer here is option D, none of the mentioned. Next question. An alternative of JavaScript on Windows platform is BB script. Okay, BB script means Virtual Basic Script. Okay. Next question. What is document object model, DOM? So right answer is option A, convention for representing the interacting with object in HTML documents. Okay guys. Next question. AJAX stands for, option A, asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Okay guys, now let's wind up the lecture. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Guys, मैंने बहुत कोशिश की है इस वीडियो में मिनिमम टाइम में आपको मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन प्रोवाइड कराने की. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ आप वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिएगा जिन्हें का भी कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का एग्ज़ाम है. एंड गाइज, ये वीडियो उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है जो किसी भी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो I included all the very important question and answer, multiple choice question and answer from computer network. And now guys, see you in the next video. Wish you very all the best for your examination. Thanks for watching.